Hi everyone, welcome to Study Buddy Homeschooling. In today's session, we'll be seeing free online course that's Computer Application in Business by Professor Dr. Subodh Kesharwani of Indira Gandhi National Open University. This is being rolled out by Swayam, a free online education portal by Government of India to promote digital education. So basically, it's a 12-week course, and this course is ideal for those who are having their own business or planning to start their own business and need help in database management system or need help in learning Excel sheet or advanced tools in word processing. So this is the ideal course for them. It's a free course. Let's go and see the details of this course. This is one of the skill enhancement elective course in third semester BCom program under CBCS scheme. The main objective of this course is to familiarize the students with the application of computers in business and how it facilitates in business decision making. So the entire 20 units have been bifurcated into two parts, part A and part B. So they've given the course layout as well. Introduction to computers, application in computers, web application, basics of computer software, business information system, database management system, business process and enterprises applications, GDPR, IT securities measures in business, internet services and email, plastic money, e-wallet and online pay, basics of word processing, tools using Word, advanced tool using word processing, making business documentation using Word, working with PowerPoint, PPT usages in business and corporate, meaning of multimedia, animation and presentation, implementing multimedia tool in business, meaning and role of YouTube in business, video impact and excelling business, curtain raiser to spreadsheet and its utility in business world, spreadsheet concepts 1 and 2, formulas and function 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, graphical presentation of data meaning and intro, advanced option in spreadsheet 2, 3, Google Workspace and cloud, bargaining and contemporary thought in business and computers, computer applications, business application, terminology used in computer application in business. So they have rolled out a variety of topics in a very short period of time, and this is ideal for those people who are planning to start their own business or those people who are in IT or ITES who very frequently use spreadsheet, Excel, advanced tools and word processing. Definitely this is a course for you. There is a video also which is being rolled out by Professor Subodh Kesharwani. Let me just show you this as well.
Indira Gandhi National Open University in School of Management Studies. This video which we are going to take today is going to talk on computer application business, which is part of our BCom program called BCom CBCS. Is a third semester course, and the name of the course is Computer Application Business. So in this course is particularly talking about the 4 or 5 blocks, and it is a 4-credit course. So if you go more into the depth of this particular course which we are going to take in this format, it is going to talk about computer application business. So in today's competitive world, when life is so complex and complicated, the only way of success is regular upgradation and hard work. There is definitely success stories of people in business, but how did they all succeed? Not by sheer magic, but going into the depth of the technology. So what I mean to say, in today's world, the computer has made everything reachable to all. It is a very vital impact on the society. It has changed the way of life. The computer usage has affected every field of life, and we see that people are using computers to perform different tasks quickly and easily. So this is basically a skill enhancement course, and this is one of the skill enhancement 4-credit elective course in third semester of BCom program under the CBCS scheme, and the main objective of the course is to familiarize the students with the application of a computer in business and how it facilitates in taking decisions. Because this course is going to talk about how you're going to set up your entity, how you're going to talk about creating your own enterprise and more towards that. So the entire 20 units, we have got somewhere around 20 chapters which need to be bifurcated into 2 parts, part A and part B. In part A, which consists of 3 blocks, that is first, second and 3, and roughly we observe that in each blocks we have got 4 to 5 chapters. And if we talk about the part B, it consists of 2 blocks, 4 and 5, and has 8 units in total. So what I mean to say, this particular course had been bifurcated into 12 weeks, and in each week you will find out there are certain the teaching assistants, there are certain quizzes, and on the other hand there are certain videos. So roughly you will find out in each the weeks you will have 2 to 3 videos, and each video is talking about the curtain raiser to the themes, and then talking about how you're going to apply. So let's take an example. The first block is going to talk on the preamble part of computers, how we are going to apply the computers in our day-to-day activity, and how the web application is going to be used. Whereas the third weeks or the second week is going to talk about the information system, how the IT security or the internet services are going to handle the data. So this is something. On the other hand, there are certain applications or the hands-on training is there where we are going to acclimatize ourselves with word processing, then certain PowerPoint presentations and multimedia, how it is going to be used when you are going to make your presentations, when you are going to make your PowerPoint. So this is all about because when any enterprise created or any business created, there is a great use of computers and business. So this particular course is going to talk on all these aspects and how we are going to apply in the business in a spreadsheet format, or taking care about our accountings and other things. So anyway, if we go more into the depth of this particular course, it is taken care from the Bachelor in Commerce, which is our part of existing IGNOU program, and this is a 4 credit particular course. And if we talk about the one credit in general, if you see in IGNOU perspectives, talks about 30 hours of study, but since we have bifurcated into weekly manner, so this is basically a 12 weeks course. And if learners go through this particular videos or emphasize on our self-learning materials, I think somewhere they can get a flavor of that. So duration of this particular course is 6 months, and medium is supposed to be in English. So if we see more into the depth of this particular weeks, it is equipped with teaching assistants, quizzes, videos which are roughly 2 to 3 in numbers, and self-learning materials and self-assessment activities are placed in between, so that learner can able to assess themselves once they are pursuing this particular course. So and at the end of the course you will find out there are certain check your progresses which can recapitulate what exactly they have done in the preceding sessions and how it is going to interlink with that. So this is and there are certain instructional systems which IGNOU used to follow more or less. Here also we are following the same pedagogy which talks about the self-instructional printed material, which we usually call the self-learning material. It's self-explanatory, self-motivating, self-evaluatory, self-guided. On the other hand, certain videos which are also imbibed here, and this face-to-face interaction with the academic counselor at the study centers are also there. So term and exam, if you talk about the term and exam, will be held twice in a year, in June and December, with 70% weightage. So for more details, you will find all those things in the website also. Thank you very much.
So it's a well explained video regarding the whole course. Though it's mentioned as 12 weeks, Dr. Subodh Kesharwani says it's going to be a 6-month program. So definitely it'll be useful for those people who are planning to start their own businesses, or people who are in ITES who use PowerPoint presentations or use spreadsheets very often. Then this is definitely the course for you. I'll tell you how to join also. You can just click in this link to click join, and you'll be able to go into the page where when you give your personal details you'll be able to enroll for the course. So it's going to start from August 1st, so enroll as soon as possible because hardly few days left. I'll provide the link for joining this course in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel Study Buddy Homeschooling. Thank you.